Good morning. Now, in the previous sections, you have learned that oxygen is utilized by organisms and it indirectly break down nutrient molecules like glucose and derive energy for performing various activities. Now, carbon dioxide, which is also which is harmful for, and it is also released in the catabolic reactions. So oxygen has to be provided to the cell and carbon dioxide has to be released out, and this process of exchange of gases is known as, you already know, it is known as breathing. So the process of exchange of gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide from the atmosphere is known as breathing. And we also it is how it is the whole process of respiration, how it is related to breathing and exchange of gases we are going to study in this chapter. So a brief introduction, and the topics we are going to cover in this chapter are respiratory organs, human respiratory system, mechanism of breathing, respiratory volumes and capacities, exchange of gases, transport of gases, both oxygen and carbon dioxide, regulation of respiration, and lastly we'll be studying about the disorders of respiratory system. So in the brief introduction, as I've told you already, that oxygen has to be utilized in various reactions, metabolic reactions inside the cells, and should be continuously provided to the cells, and energy is produced during this process, that we already know. And carbon dioxide is a gas that has to be constantly released out, and this process is called as breathing. Now this is commonly known as respiration also, and if you place your hand on your chest, you can feel the chest moving up and down, and you know that it is due to breathing. So this is how the diaphragm contracts and relaxed abdominal muscles stretch and abdomen bulges out. This is a normal process of breathing that we are experiencing when diaphragm relaxes and the abdominal muscles, they recoil elastically and abdomen returns to the resting position. So various respiratory organs, they are involved in this process, and the respiratory organs and the mechanism of breathing, they all are described in this chapter in detail. So this is a brief introduction of the chapter which we are going to study in detail. Thank you.